I try to do that on a good day. And you'll see, you'll always be inspired in devotional service, because devotional service is always is a very inspiring thing, but we forget about how inspiring it is, how valuable it is. But when we read, we remember, and then we feel motivated to practice, and then get some revelation by practicing. So it's really, so don't worry, Krishna will reveal more and more as time goes on. Anything else? So it's time for Sankirtan scores, right? I don't read them as well as a lot of people, so we'll end here. Well, that's Sundar Nitai Prabhu. I'm trying to avoid flying off to Shan. With the Sankirtan scores. Sankirtan, by the way, not Sankirtan. That's one of the common mispronunciations. It's a long I. Sankirtan. The I is twice as long as the trailing, the last syllable, the off in the last one. Sankirtan. Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. His Grace Krishna Kripa Prabhu ki jai. His Bhaktivedanta ki jai. And Charitamrita ki jai.